Hey, Tommy, thank you so much for the possibility to have a little bit of interview here together.
Yeah,
So you sit very relaxed in your room.
yes.
How does it come? Have you been always so relaxed like you're now?
No, in fact, not.
Okay.
Uh, One thing that has been quite dominant in my life has been some kind of fear of
Mhm.
the future, of what's going to happen to me and my family and in the world and so on.
Mhm.
But I think things have changed lately.
Mhm. Mhm.
Uh, there are many things that I don't think about anymore that much, and I have started to think and concentrate on the more positive things, and also some things that I used to think about a lot. They were like getting bigger and bigger, but now it feels like they don't mean that much anymore because there are so many other things that are more important to think about and to concentrate on.
Wow. So the power of fear went away and you have more space of thinking other things.
Yes, that's right. Uh, I think I had some moments in my life now during this year that I noticed that I wasn't thinking any negative thoughts at all.
Mm.
And that was surprising because that's something unusual in
Mm.
my life. And of course, thoughts come and go, but I have the tools now to reject them and to focus on something else.
Mm.
I think
Wow.
that's a great thing.
So how long have you been struggling?
Uh, Before,
Yes.
yeah, well, I think basically all my life, maybe, I don't know.
Wow.
My mother is maybe also, and some of my uh, some people close to me are also dealing with fear and so on. But I think it's something that has been always somewhere, just uh, in my thoughts,
Mm.
and I haven't thought about it so much that how I could get rid of those fears and those thoughts, but of course I have been praying and but I didn't know exactly how to tackle the problem.
Mhm. I'm so happy to hear that you found the key. You can relax now. You can
Yes,
enjoy life.
yes.
So it's a different one.
It is. And there have come new challenges in my life during the past few months as well, but uh, I'm so happy I'm now in this situation that whatever comes into my life, I I know that I will make it. I will
Mm.
make it, and it's not something that will bring me down at all.
Mm. Very nice. That's a big security and a big trust. So my
Yeah.
last question, Tommy, is would you recommend the Happiness Mind Academy?
Yes, definitely. I think it has been a mind-blowing difference in my life after I took part in this because I already found some tools during the introductory lessons
Mm.
that I took part in before I even decided to take part in this.
Mm.
And those convinced me because I got a lot of help through
Mm.
those as well.
That's
And
amazing.
I'm still on my path, knowing I'm learning more and more all the time.
That's so nice. So thank you so much, Tommy, for your personal words and the encouragement. It's good to
Yes, it's
hear
my
that
pleasure.
there is a way to come out.
Yes, definitely.
Very good. Thank you so much for your time.
Yes, thank you.